All right. All right, we're gonna start in a few seconds, guys. If you have any questions or stocks you want to watch, check, you want me to check, just type them in YouTube chat on Discord. All right, so I'm gonna jump and review the market first. See what happened. Give me just a second. All right, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Type them in the chat on YouTube channel. Let me open that. All right, so what did we get today with the market? SPY, let's start from there. Seems like we actually end up squeezing. I didn't know about this because I went to work. Okay, so we kind of had this ranging day today. As you can see, we're chop, create a high low, and then eventually made a fake breakdown on low volume, shook out everybody and squeezed from there. Very interesting price action. And as you can see on daily, we did this on a lower volume than usually. Well, I would say this is average volume. Interesting price action, making a new high on SPY. Qs just pretty strong. Very nice closure on Qs right on a high. After hours, we faded a little bit. Small caps, and that being the weakest today. As you can see, went back inside this channel, so we can put a level right here, 233.5. So this is some sort of a consolidation we had on small caps for quite some time already. I don't know if they're gonna play it out of this pivot point from mid of June and kind of come back down to 225, create high low, and go from there. We'll see. So VIX volatility, I was expecting more volatility today, but this is what we got, kind of another inside day inside of this consolidation for the past 3 days. Let's look at sectors. XLK, tech just banana straight from the open. Look at the thing. The 5-minute candles is just a crazy wide range bar. After such a big 5-minute candle, usually you don't want to chase it, and it's really hard to find something there. What else? XLV, XLY, kind of pulling down here. Pretty nice squeeze on XLC communications end of the day. I'm not tracking something. I guess there's some sort of a news came out on this one. Nice breakout on communications, financials, and up actually going back to where it started. It's ridiculous. All right, so let's see. XLRE. I pointed this XLRE. It's I believe it's a real estate. It's been consolidating. If we're gonna break this range one way or another, I think it might push for a few days. I like for both directions. Overall trend is strong, and maybe it's kind of building higher lows here on each day. Maybe it's getting ready for the breakout tomorrow over this 4470s. So real estate related names could be interesting. This is nice squeeze on XLB. I believe this materials shake out and then squeeze into the day. Overall looks weak. Overall global trend. Always pay attention to global trend. This is from the daily chart, weekly chart. It tells you the story. What are we doing? It doesn't matter what you see on a small time frame, as long as the big one tells you the main story. You gotta follow that one. So XLE, I've been personally having issues with this one. I find a good entry, and then 2 days after, it just craps. It just does something. Too many gaps, gaps up, gaps down. It's unpredictable to trade. As you can see, this is the pivot point we established right here. What do we see right now? We actually rejected this pivot point today. This was a multi-day breakout. I mean, fake breakout. Multi-day fake breakout. As you can see, and now we attempted to break again and fading again. But I don't know. Overall, it's still kind of on uptrend. TOT, a little bit of bounce on this one today. Looks interesting. We'll see on Treasury. Quickly, gold still looks weak, consolidating there. Silver, similar story. China internet. Let's look at some interesting here. Semiconductors, SMH, nice push. What do we have here? Breakout. So is this all time? Yeah, very nice. Look at this SMH semiconductor breakout. This is pretty chart, right? Very constructive. That's what you want to look for. So marijuana MJ did a breakout today. Oil, as you can see, been selling off the other ETFs related to oil. So ARCs, I was talking about ARCs this morning pre-market. I pointed like it's very interesting. This one right at the prior pivot point, right here. A little bit tricky. As you can see, we open right at this layer, and then you got some sort of a nothing going on there. Way better when there's no gap and we just break in the level. So RKK, we had a gap up here, but it still had a cleaner price action. RKW was way better. Look at this. Very clean retest of the prior high of the day. Beautiful. This is a 5-minute chart. So what I usually say, you don't have to use 1-minute chart if you don't feel comfortable or don't have good results with that, which is totally fine. Try to understand bigger time frames first. Learn mechanics from the bigger 1-day, weekly charts, stuff like that. Then move to hourly charts. And try to understand the 5-minute charts, the structure. I would buy right here on this white candle. The moment this white candle goes above the prior red candle slightly, I'm long. This is how it is. It's called candle over candle. Your stop goes below this level. There are multiple reasons why you want to buy here. First of all, we had a gap up, overall trend. Let's start from the far picture, right? The overall trend seems like we're bouncing here. If you look at an even bigger trend, it's so bullish. So you got 1 day push, establishing high level here. Right there. Oh my God, there you go. Then you got a day inside day candle, pullback, closing relatively okay. Now we have a gap up, initial movement, then pullback. Always mark the levels. This is your high of initial movement, right? This is the pullback, making a new low. This is the level for you. And then on this 5 minute, we hitting penny to the penny, confirming this is the level. Your stop goes right here, 153. I would give a little bit of room and enter right here, 153.73. So probably 80 cents stop, and ATR on this big boy, I would assume $2-3. As you can see, end up being really nice breakout into this levels. Blockchain today also ugly. This is ugly chart, but I see what people have been trying to trade here, breakout as well. 10, as you can see, this is solars still running. Beautiful. 3D printers. Looks like we just cleared this level right here from this pivot point. Then we have a little bit of domino effect, as you can see. People put their stops here, here. So if we're gonna have a runner, the volume is decent. 139k. Actually, this is garbage volume. We need more than that. We need, like, you know, give me a meal. Give me something like bigger than that for the breakout. But this looks interesting, actually. 3D printers. Let me look at a few names here. DDD. It's been consolidating. Another inside day. So you see what it's doing? It made a push. 2-3 days consecutive push. Stair stepper. Beautiful. This is very nice. So this one worth watching because the constructive price action. We have room to run. This is entering another channel. Oh, I mean, not exactly a channel here. It has room to run to this pivot point and then all the way to these levels. I would watch this for second step. This is first step, second step breakout, and then you get a nice runner. All right, so and finally Jets airlines dumped. I pointed airlines yesterday on watch and day before yesterday. Real quick, I gotta write down. DDD goes on watch for tomorrow. Might play the same scenario: a bounce, deep buy opportunity there, or the breakout. So let's look at the stocks I was looking at. Delta straight from the open, boom. Dumpster. UAL, actually they set up really nice, guys. SPRT, that was, I forgot what ticker I was looking at. Some airlines. Anyway, I'm gonna go to my watch list for today. I think I have a few names here for airlines, if I'm correct. But anyway, let's review the watch list we had and see if something is still cooking for tomorrow. Palantir still looks really good. Non-stop mover. Disregard this volume because it was added to Russell. It's irrelevant, so the volume is decent. So once we break this 27.5, I think we have room to run to $30. Very nice closing day again. The thing, it doesn't move a lot. Be aware of that. 26.88 to 27.50. You got a small mover, but it can move nice. It can move nice. You can see nice consolidation. Attempt to break lower, fake out, then trying to go high, cannot, and then trying to, after that, holding the opening price. Let's analyze this real quick. So we have an opening price here, the green line, 26.98. You have also 27 around the whole number. It couldn't go lower. Well, it's attempting to go higher. And then consolidation in the middle over this level. To me, this looks bullish. Volume fading, price holding. The moment we break in this range, 2704, I'm going long. That's how I would look at this. Also, what people do, and I used to do that too, right? You can do something like that, right? Draw, connect trend lines and stuff like that. So that was your initial pivot right here, right? When the momentum, when the movement started down. So, and that's when the breakout eventually kind of confirms this is a consolidation. I prefer breaking, trading off the consolidations. Breakout up or down of consolidation. It's really good. Anyway, PLTR looks really good for tomorrow. Here's FSLR. Another day. Look at this. This is non-stop thinker. Just keep rolling. So you get, this is going to be the level right here. Close it to 100. Usually I don't like stocks like that, or because they are already exhausted. You got a wide range bar today. That was a nice stock to trade today for sure. Breakout over this consolidation after the fake breakout, after the fake breakdown right here on this candle, then end up closing on a high. I would be entering probably on this white candle and then, you know, see through this pullback. But if you stop around 89, it would put me in a nice driver's seat. It's been so clean. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it because we do have room. We have room all the way to 98.85. My concern is always when we coming on a white bar, we exhausted. So I'll watch tomorrow. GMIA on watch we had for a few days already. It's been cooking. The breakout already happened today. As you can see, candle over candle, you should be entering right here. Around 30 bucks, right here, 30, 40. But I do like this daily closure. Nice consolidation, might continue tomorrow higher. All right, it's actually worth watching. This one, I'm in this stock for a swing on different accounts, so I honestly don't want to day trade this. To me, it looks like a garbage. I'm gonna remove it. Roku, gonna get rid of it. I was hoping for a short setup, another rejection, and coming back below this 430s and short back down. That's what I did once already. I like this. AMC is cooking. I was talking about AMC and mentioned this level so many times. 53. Look at this. Support, resistance. Now you're back inside the range. Good job to everybody who bought it around 54 bucks. So this day 53, very, very good stuff. Now you hoping it's gonna build a higher low. It is worth watching for tomorrow if it's gonna build up a little bit, maybe another pullback, and then we'll go from there. I'll leave it on watch. Nike inside day. I was hoping for the breakout today on long, but might take some time. I don't have anything for tomorrow on this name, but I'll come back and revisit. Oh, get rid of this. I was looking for a long breakout. I don't know what's happening there. CDXS we had on the long today. Beautiful. Inside the channel. Now you're in the middle of the channel. It's run away already. Fastly, just keep doing its thing. I'm gonna drop it off. MGNI. Okay, but seems like holding this. This was a resistance. Now it became support. Looks like we're holding this level. Maybe a few days of consolidation and even pull back lower. I'm looking something that is setting up for tomorrow for me. The Soul was beautiful. Look at it, guys. I put it on watch list on this day. Beautiful. And I was talking with somebody in our room. We like, man, how could you take this? Well, you would take this for the breakout of 874 right here. Your stop going, low of the day, 10 cents stop, 864, right? 10 cents stop. And you will enter right at the open for the breakout here. And it went all the way to about 988. So it's about 12R. Beautiful. I would sit on this play a little bit longer, see if it can push another 50 cents or something. But I missed that one, was trading something else, like this one. I traded this one, I got out completely. Don't want to turn day trade into a swing trade on this account for statistical, just for the statistics pretty much. But this one looks interesting for another breakout here. Look at this. They bought it right. They've been buying right on the high here. It's crazy. Maybe tomorrow we will get another runner here. I usually don't like I said, getting after the wide range bar. NIO today, damn, also even moved more than XPEF, 10%. So that's what is hot right now. You guys gotta pay attention because they're gonna report numbers, I believe, this week. Numbers about cars. So I would leave NIO and XPEF. They're not my favorite, but I'm just gonna leave because it's a hot topic right now. I traded this path today. It was beautiful. Again, another consolidation breakout. Look at this. I actually ended up with 15-minute breakout, but I took it for a breakout like this. Yeah, get out right on a high. I took a full range breakout. Beautiful penny to the penny hold right here of $70. Huge size on an offer, and the range got tighter. As you can see by candles, but the spread got tighter as well. At some point, it was 20 cents, 40 cents, and then got to 5 cents right before the squeeze. Plus, look at the volume spike right here. Confirm some sort of something going on here. And then we had a pretty fast breakout here with massive volume, and you got to take partials. When stuff is flying, my stop was right here, guys. Think about it. My intention to get about 2R on a play. I got 4.2R on this play. 4.2R. I'm aiming for 2R, so this is, got my double goal in this one. Anyway, I don't know. It is okay. I think it's okay to watch again for tomorrow. Not the best chart, right? You can see a bunch of wigs and stuff like that, but that's how it moves. And that's why I'm saying, think about it. If I wouldn't get out here, I would get stopped out at the break even, because that's what it does. Unless you're putting a wide stop on and approaching as a swing, yeah, you should be okay. But as a day trade, I'm actually gonna get rid of it. Run. Made a breakout today. Consolidating. I'm in. It's right at this pivot point. I think it has more room to run. We will see tomorrow. UPWK, nice consolidation. Okay, I'm gonna leave this for now. I do like this consolidation, building high low. As you can see, this was a wide range bar. The level from wide range bar we played out right here, and now building high low. Maybe it's something cooking here. Bingo! I traded this today. What a garbage, man. This stock is a piece of garbage. I mean, breakout was legit right here, and then got stopped out. Just don't like this name. Givo, It's not cooking. I want this thing to break. Very nice consolidation, but it's not there yet. Gonna get rid of it. AMWL, not there yet. Gonna get rid of it. Oh, Uber took that one. What a garbage, man. What a garbage. Look at this. You got a breakout here. It did. Again, entry was amazing. Got stopped out, right? Then tried to play long right here. Got stopped out. Well, then jumped long right here. Got a little bit. Recover this loss. But still, you know, I was expecting a breakout here. It was pretty nice setup for the breakout. It might take a few more days. Worth rechecking this name. MRO, I was looking for a long breakout, but we saw oil was selling. It's just nuts. Look at that. Straight down. Elevator. 3 minutes and you're making a lot of money. Alright, Tau. Don't like that one. Viacom on a squeeze. It's already moving. Didn't participate, but as you can see, also could go for the breakout and even the pullback later. Go for a really nice one. Chris. It's still there, but I'm gonna remove. Don't like this. mRNA. Alright, so mRNA consolidating. Still worth watching. This one looks really good. This is the level it's flirting. We actually closed above this level right now. So 222 to 223. Okay, I do like mRNA tomorrow. If we gonna find some support 222, 223, clean one, maybe it's worth playing to the long side for the breakout higher. Oracle tried to break over this day, but you having issues with some moving averages here on the way. It's gonna break at some point there. MO cigarettes, nah, doesn't look good. RKT got kind of slammed there. Gonna get rid of that. Car. This one put a sneaky one. Honestly, I don't know. I missed this one. If I would trade all day, I would not. You know, because I gotta go to work, and then at this time I'm already living, and then that was exactly what I was looking for. You got to break out over 74.08. So yellow, the green line, which is actually lines up with the yellow line, that's the opening price. So you got red to green, and then bounce of this area, and it gives you, you're either gonna go aggressive right here, or it gives you consolidation above the level right here. You go long anywhere here, it's all good. Doesn't matter which candle you go here. You just go long here. You stop right there, and oh, people always ask, like, where is the target? Well, is this all-time high? Well, there's no resistance. What's your target? Use ATR as a tool. Use extensions. If you use VWAP, use extension from VWAP, 75% from VWAP, maybe worth taking. Use VPA as a signals, and use Rs. You know, I'm aiming for 2 free R because I know my statistics. If I'm doing 2 free R plays, I'm making money. So car, I'm gonna get rid of because I missed the entry. Don't like chasing like that. Frog, nice consolidation. Probably we are looking for the breakout on Frog. I'll leave this on watch. Can still cooking. Let's get the other time frame here. I'm thinking I'm already actually long on Can on that account. I don't know if this is gonna be a good type of a day trading stock. It's kind of like bingo, too many weeks, too much going on here. But I think it's basing a little bit of double bottom here on daily, and then most likely wants to curl up. I'm gonna leave it here so to pay attention. Let's look what's next. PSTG, gonna drop it off. Here's JBLU. I was watching airlines. Told you. Uh, whatever. I hate airlines. Trading those. Tough. Although had it on watch for long again. Worked very well. Look at that. Breakout. Run away already from me. Gonna get rid of it. Oh, this one is still cooking. Nice range. You know, the rule of thumb. The moves always start from consolidations. Ranges, right? Sometimes the range can be like freaking months, a year. Sometimes range can be like here or here, right? So maybe this is still cooking. We'll see tomorrow. I don't like it for now. This one made a move. Not a big fan of the price action. Gonna get rid of it. This one, gonna get rid of it. Peak. So finally they get rejected. I was looking for a long. I was hoping we we're gonna break this limit player at 34. We were holding to the penny. But they get a rejection. Again, ugly chart because you don't get any pre-market action and it trades on kind of low volume. I'm gonna get rid of it. Alright, YMC was looking good for a short. Again, no pre-market action, and as you can see, it dumped. You could take this short right here, 66. SPR. Another one I was looking for, a short airline, as you can see, dumped. 6. This one didn't work well. It was on a long list, PLD.